Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, I wanna read some article in investing.com by Lucia Mutikani. US producer prices post second straight monthly decline. US producer price fell for second straight month in August as the cost of gasoline declined, further resulting in the smallest annual increase in a year, which could lay first of inflation becoming interested. The report from the Labor Department on Wednesday also showed underlying producer inflation rising moderately last month, suggesting snarled supply chains were loosening up. It followed on the heels of news on Tuesday of a surprise interest in monthly consumer prices in August, which cemented expectation for a third 75 basis point interest rate hike from the Federal Reserve next Wednesday. Today offers bit of good news that the economy's supply chains headwinds are starting to diminish, said Chartisopher Subkey, chief economist at FWDDBONDS in New York. While inflation isn't completely continued, there is hope that the diminished pressure on PPI goods prices will lead to less inflation in the future for the goods sitting on store shelves that consumers buy. The producer prices index for final demand dipped 0.1% last month after slipping 0.4% in July. A 1.2% drop in prices for goods accounted for the fall in the PPI, which was in line with economists' expectation. The decline in goods prices, which followed a 1.7% plunge in July, was largely driven by a 20 12.7% tumble in the cost of gasoline. Food prices were unchanged. The cost of service increased 0.4% after rising 0.2% in July. 60% of last month's advance in service was attributed to a 0.8% rise in margins received by wholesalers and retailers. Prices for portfolio management rose, but there were decreases in the cost of truck transportation of freight and goods from rental, as well as good as food and alcohol retailing. In the 12 months through August, the PPI increased 8.7%. That was the weakest year-on-year reading since August 2021 and followed a 9.8% increase in July. Excluding the volatile food, energy, and trade service components, producer prices gained 0.2% in August. The so-called core PPI edged up 0.1% in July. In the 12 months through August, the core PPI advanced 5.6 after increasing 5.8% in July. Fed officials gather next Thursday and Wednesday for their regular policy meeting. Financial markets have priced in a 75 basis point rate increase next Wednesday, with potential for a full percentage point rise, according to CME's Fed Watch tool. The U.S. Central Bank was twice hiked its policy rate by their quarters of a percentage point in June and July. Since March, it has lifted that rate from near zero to its current range of 2.25% to 2.50%. US producer prices fell for second straight month in August as the cost of gasoline declined, further resulting in the smallest annual increase in a year, which could allay fears of inflation becoming uncertain. The report from the Labor Department on Wednesday also showed underlying producer inflation rising moderately last month, suggesting knowledge supply chains were loosening up. It followed on the heels of news on Tuesday of a surprise interest in monthly consumer price in August, which cemented expectation for a third 75 basis point interest rate hike from the Federal Reserve next Wednesday. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you.